Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope everyone is doing great today. Welcome to our online learning class in English. Grade 5 students, this is our week number 3. Very good. This is week number 3. Now, everyone, are you ready to begin our class? Alright, let's get started. This is a review of our previous lesson. Are you ready now? Okay, I will begin reviewing the lessons that we have last week. This is Unit 1, A Day at School. Look at the picture that we have. This is school. And what are the children doing? Very good. They are playing in the... Do you know this place? They are playing in the playground. Very good. They are playing in the playground. Who can tell me the spelling of playground? Can you spell it? Nice try. That is P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D. A playground. Now there are 4 circles. What place is this? Cafeteria. Very good. What room is this, everyone? Classroom. Right? This is the restroom. Music room. Good job. You're right. We will talk about the places at school. The first place, this is the playground. Very good. Do you remember how do we spell playground? That is P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D. This is the playground. Now, what do we do in the playground? Can you tell me what do we do in the playground? This is a place where children play and have fun with their friends. They have fun and play in the swing. Very good. They also use the seesaw. Okay, great. Nice one. Number 1 is playground. What is a playground again? A place where children play and have fun with their friends. Next one. What room is this? What do you see in the room? I can see a clock. I can see a blackboard. I can see a table and a chair. Can you guess? You're right. This is the classroom. Now, how do you spell classroom? That is C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Classroom. Very good. Now, what is a classroom? Right, this is a place to learn school subjects. What is a classroom again? Can you tell me? A place to learn school subjects. Wow, you're learning now. Next one. I know this one. I can see many books. You're right. This is the library. The library. How do you spell the library? L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. And what is a library, teacher? Can you tell me what is a library? A place to read and borrow books. This is where you can read many books. Okay, that is the library. Next one. I'm sure you can remember this. A nurse, a student. What room is this? Nurse's room. Good job. How do you spell nurse's room? N-U-R-S-E S-R-O-O-M. Nurse's room. This is a place to go when you are sick. Very good. What is a nurse's room again? Can you tell me? A place to go when you are sick. Good try. Now this one. They are using headphones and computers. What kind of room is this? I remember this is a lab. Nice guess. This is our language lab. Can you repeat after me? Language lab. Okay. How do you spell language lab? L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E. Language. How do you spell lab? L-A-B. It's important to know the spelling, okay? Now this is a place to practice English. Very good. A place to practice English. Let's go to the next one. I can see the toilet. I can see the faucet. The mirror. Now what place is this? This is the restroom. Good job. The restroom. Okay. How do you spell the restroom? R-E-S-T-R-O-O-M. Restroom. What is a restroom? A place to? A place to? To clean my hands and use the toilet. A restroom is a place to clean my hands and use the toilet. Let's go to the next one. I can see balls, basketball, hoop. Yes, very good. This is where you can play sports. Now, what kind of room is this or place? This is the gymnasium. Gymnasium. Gymnasium is the long word, okay? Now, when you wanna make it short, you can just say gym. Gym. How do you spell gym? It's G-Y-M. Gym. Now, what is a gym? A place to play sports. Nice try. A place to play sports. Let's go to the next one. This girl is doing some experiment. What kind of room is this? I think it's a lab. What kind of lab? You're right. It's the science laboratory. Science laboratory or the science lab. How do you spell science? That is S-C-I-E-N-C-E. How do you spell lab? L-A-B. Science lab. Now, what kind of place or what do we do in the science lab? The place to do science experiments. Science experiments. Science experiments. Okay, it's good that you practice speaking. Alright? Next one. Paintings. What kind of room is this? The art room. Very good. The art room. How do you spell art? A-R-T. Good job. Now, what kind of room or place is the art room? A place to learn art. I know you get it. A place to learn art. Okay, this one. The children are eating. What kind of room is this? Is this the classroom? No, it's not. Is this the library? No, it's not, teacher. This is the cafeteria. Cafeteria. How do you spell cafeteria? C-A-F-E-T-E-R-I-A. Cafeteria. Now, the cafeteria is a place to eat food at school. This is where you eat your food. Drink your milk. Okay, cafeteria. The students are playing instruments. What place is this? Music room, you're right. How do you spell music? M-U-S-I-C. Music. And how do you spell room? R-O-O-M. Great one. Now, what is a music room? A place to use musical instruments. Repeat after me. Musical instruments. One more time. Musical instruments. Alright. We're done with places at school. Now let's review. A place to read books. What kind of place is that? Library. Very good. Next, a place to wash my hands. Restroom. Very good. Next one. This is a place to play sports. The gym. Last one. This is a place to learn school subjects. What kind of room is this? Very good, the classroom. Now I know you're ready with the school subjects. School subjects, these are the subjects that we learn at school. Example, as you can see, we have math, reading, science, history, and so on. Now let's begin with school subjects. I know you know this one. This one is English. Okay? English. In English, what do we learn in English? We learn to read, write, and speak in English. We learn to read, write, and speak in English. Nice one. How about this one? Can you guess what kind of subject is this? Is this sports? No, it's not. Is this art? No, it's not. This is science. Science. Now, what do you learn in science? We learn about human body, plants, and animals. Very good. We learn about human body, our body. We learn about the plants. We learn about the animals. That's what we learn in science. Next one. Very good. This one is mathematics. Or in short, they call it math. Okay, this one is math. What do you learn in math? We learn about numbers. Very good. Teacher, we learn about numbers in studying math. Next one. I can see a computer. Now, what subject is this? The computer, of course. The computer. What do you learn in the computer? We learn about the internet. We learn about the internet. How to browse, how to make a website. Okay? Next one. I know you like this one. Many of you like sports. What kind of subject is this? Physical education. Very good. This one is the physical education. What is physical education, or short for PE? Physical education. What do you learn in PE? We learn about books. We learn about English? No. We learn about exercise. We play sports and games in this subject. So in PE, you need to exercise, play sports, and games. This is exciting. Next one, I can see some paint brushes and paint. Very good. This is arts. Arts. Now, what do you learn in arts? We learn to paint. You learn to paint properly and nicely, okay? We learn to paint in art subject. Next one. Do you have idea? Can you guess what subject is this? Social studies. Again, social studies. Okay, this is quite long. We learn a lot in social studies. We learn about places. We learned about countries. We learned about weather, season. Okay, we learned about the countries. Example, Vietnam, China, Japan. We learn about the weather. Cold? Is it hot? We learned about the season. Example of season is winter season. Okay, that is social studies. Next one. This is pretty old. When we say old, we learn about history. Very good. We learn about history. History. You have to speak more fast, okay? History. Very good. How do you spell history? History. What do you learn in history, everyone? We learn about people in the past, long time ago. That is history. Next one. This is exciting, okay? This is, of course, you know this, the Thai language. It's the subject Thai. What do you learn in Thai? We learn to read and write in Thai language. Thai language. Okay, this one. I can see a guitar. I can see a microphone. What kind of subject is this? Music. Very good. This is the music subject. And what do you do or learn in music subject? We learn to sing and play. What do you do in the music subject? Great. We learn to sing and play. Alright, before our worksheet, let's review about the subject. What kind of subject where we learn about reading in Thai language? Good job, it's Thai. Next one, we learn about arts. It's easy, art subject. Next one, we learn how to speak, read in English. It's English. Yes, very good. Now let's go to our worksheet. This is our worksheet. Worksheet time, everyone. Before we start, I will teach you how to answer in complete sentence. How to answer in complete sentence. The question here, where can you play music instrument? Where can you play music instrument? When we say where, word W-H-E-R-E. Where is a place? Where can you play? Where is a place? Now, when we talk about you, this is you. Okay, we are asking you. That's why I encircled it. Now, how do you answer it? Where can you play music instrument? If we use in the question you will start with your answer I. Okay? When we use you in the sentence or question, you can answer with I. Very good. I can play music instrument in the music room. As you can see, when we use you should answer starting with letter I. Okay, next one. The next question, where can we play music instrument? Now we use we. We're talking about a plural form. There are a lot of people. Where can we play music instrument? Now here, since we use the word we in the question, we can use it as a noun. We can play music instrument in the music room. Okay? When we use you, where can you? You can answer with I. When we use we, you can answer using we. Alright everyone, in this worksheet for June 17th, we need to read the questions and write the correct answer. Don't forget to write your name, number, and class, okay? The first question is, where can we study music? Where can we study music? We can study music in the English room? Music room. Very good. We can study music in the music room. Okay, I know you can do it. This is only 6 items. Now that is the end of our video. I hope you'd learned something today. Grade 5 students, goodbye and see you everyone.